Hey everyone, today's video I am building a pantry. I'm turning a closet into a pantry with floating shelves for more storage, which is what we're all in need of these days. So if you're here today, let me show you how to make floating shelves in your pantry space. Let's get started with today's video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samia and I do all things DIY. I've slowly been renovating my mother's home and today we are doing a pantry makeover. So this is the closet that I'm going to be doing. It's just like a regular closet
I'm Mackenzie.
Oh, my niece wants to say
Hi, I'm Mackenzie.
She said hi, she's Mackenzie. And yeah, can I put you back down?
Yeah.
Okay. So this closet is directly off of the office space that I built, and it was just a regular closet, but we use it a lot for like storing food and just a storage space. So I'm gonna put more shelves in here to build it and make it look more like a pantry. So we're gonna go ahead and get started and knock this on out because I think it's gonna be a quick build. I'm not sure that yet. This is easier than I thought. I thought I was gonna have to be knocking out a lot of things, but honestly they're coming out. They weren't even attached down to the ground, so. Okay y'all, so I'm getting ready. I'm gonna go ahead and screw these in directly. I've marked everywhere where my studs are and where I'm gonna be putting each board. So I'm just gonna take a 2x2 and line it up where I need it to be. So I am using 2.5-inch screws to screw directly into the stud. Now I'm using 2x2s, but they're actually only 1.5 inches in thickness, and you want to ensure that you go at least 1 inch into the stud in the wall to make sure that your shelves are durable and able to withstand all the weight that will be put on them. Now I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna clamp the front piece down. I already did this one, so it's gonna look like that. So take my other piece, I'm gonna clamp it on. I'm going in and adding some additional supports in the middle of my shelves. I'm using some pieces that are already cut down, and I'm using a combination of pocket hole screws and just screwing them directly in from the front to make sure that they are stable. Now I'm coming in with my 3/4 of an inch of plywood, and I'm putting these on top of the shelves. Now to finish off these shelves, I'm gonna come in and put some face frames on using 1x3s and pine wood, 1x3 pine wood, and then I'm going to put on a 1/4 of an inch plywood on the bottom to finish off these shelves. Hi, Pookie.
That is my water.
Hmm? And here is the pantry, y'all. I love it. I love all the storage space that we have now, and I decided to come in with a white paint over the shelves, and they look so beautiful. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.